eating while playing your video. Part 2 na to. So, kain mo tayo. Ayos, naman. So, tapos na si your friend's ship. Kailangan magko-comment mga ako. Food looks delicious. Okay, so ito na. Nag-comment na ako. So, hopefully 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Next. So, next na naman tayong video. Yung nagko-comment sa video natin, puntahan din ha. Ito. So, may studio tayo. Okay. May studio. Ito pala yung kita ko guys. Salamat tayo pasalamat kami sa inyo. Thank you guys for supporting. 82.7. Kulang na lang konti para makasahod tayo. Anyway, it's good to kuan yung nagko-comment. Charot. Tuloy ang kuan ko. Okay. Next shout out goes to next. This one. Ship Hit Dice. Shout out. Ship Hit Dice. Okay. Do visit his channel. He's an awesome cook. And Ship. Then we'll play one of your video, Ship.
Oops.
Okay.
Charge.
We'll play one video for Mr. Ship. Okay. This one. Okay. Then I will comment later. Okay. Ma'am Nimrod Hike. Ko-comment mo tayo ha. Kaya mo tayo. So yummy. Okay. Okay. Ayos na.